Hello from Disney World. I just got to my resort. I was gonna start this vlog a little bit earlier, but it's been a hectic day as per usual. Travel days are always crazy. I came into the bathroom here because there's a very loud air conditioner over there, but I'm staying at the Caribbean Beach Resort. I'm gonna keep this very short and simple because I actually gotta get over to Disney Springs before they start closing stuff down. It's pretty late, it's like 8:30 or so. I made a dinner reservation for 10:30, so I have some time, but I just know it takes a little bit to get over there, and I want to put like a little bit of makeup on, I think, just to look a little more presentable. But we're already rocking the Disney sweatshirt here. I got so many compliments on this already. Everyone has been super nice today. I had the nicest Lyft driver as well, and then she said I look like Clarkson, which I always get that comment on my videos too, so I just thought that was really funny. And then the nice security guard walked me to my room. He helped me find it, because you can just come and unlock your room with your phone or whatever. But yeah, the Caribbean Beach is where I'm staying this time. I am having a friend join me tomorrow. It's gonna be late tomorrow. She was gonna come earlier, but her plans changed a little bit, so now she's coming later tomorrow. So you guys get me for the next 24 hours, which I feel like by myself I actually get a lot of content done. So I'm very excited about that, but I'm just giddy to be here at Disney World right now. Let me do a little room tour. I'll do probably some more footage at the resort tomorrow, but this is one of the moderate resorts, so it's honestly, the price was really good, and it's next to the Skyliner, which is a huge plus. So that's why I booked this one. It was between this and Port Orleans Riverside, but I went for this option because of the Skyliner. It takes you right to Hollywood Studios and Epcot, but it's definitely a walk around this place to get where you want to go, but we're in a really good spot. I'm right across from like the bridge and a decent walk to the Skyliner. This resort is based off of the Caribbean islands. I'm staying in the Aruba building. It's actually really nice. I think they did recently renovate them. If you're looking to go to Disney on more of a budget, I feel like this is a really nice priced place. I like the bathroom too with the sliding doors. It looks really cute. And they still have the H2O for only a little bit longer. I know they're, I think, going out of business. So I'm curious to see who they're going to partner with next. It looks like they put the closet here kind of in the bathroom area, and then you have just your small shower space and stuff. That's kind of loud. We'll turn that off. That's a quick overview. I am going to go ahead, put a little bit of makeup on, and we'll go over to Disney Springs. Okay guys, we made it. We put ourselves together just a bit. I'm going to do an Uber because I don't feel like waiting for the buses since I'm already kind of behind. That's probably the moral of this trip, is always behind. I feel like I'm always in a rush when I'm at Disney, but I'm trying to take it a little bit slower. But I just want to have time to like check out the shops before they all close. But I actually ordered a Lyft, and they had an option to do the mini van, which is so cute. It's like a little mini red van with polka dots, so I'll definitely show you guys that. I've never done that before because I usually do Uber, but I feel like the Lyft was a little bit quicker. I feel like I want to buy some stuff tonight, like a couple shirts, maybe some new ears as well, so I want to check out the stores. Here it comes, my little mini van. How cute. Alright, we made it to Disney Springs. I'm here at the Coach store. I think I'm gonna pop in. I know they have some different Disney collections before we eat dinner. So I did the minivan not knowing that it's like way more than the usual ones. I wasn't even looking. Just had the option pop up and I booked it, but definitely pricey for that one. But I mean, the lady there is so nice, so talkative, and gives a lot of tips. So I guess that was nice, but dang. Maybe for a family that would be good, but not for just one person. Alright, so we're gonna check out the stores. They have a huge Zara here as well. We're gonna pop into the Coach store. They have MAC. They have a Sephora here. They literally, it's like a mall of Disney in the Disney parks. So let's go to Coach and see some of their different Disney styles. Alright, so they really didn't have much, only like a few different ones. I think online they had like a villains collection, but I definitely did not see hardly anything in stores. So that was a very short entrance, quick in and out. I am gonna stop at this Sephora though, because I need to get a, well, see if they still carry nail polish. I need a black nail polish because mine is like getting scratches on it, so we're gonna see if they have that. They do have the new one size Fantasia collection though, which is Disney, so I figured I would show that. The palettes and also the highlight. The packaging is really pretty. I made it to the World of Disney store, so let's go see what essentials we can find for our trip and see what new stuff they have inside. Alright, so seeing lots of fun Hocus Pocus merch since the movie just came out. The Hocus Pocus 2, a little cauldron, and they even have a Spirit jersey. is so fun too. I love the colors. This is Tonight We Fly. They have tons of Halloween stuff. This is their Halloween spirit jersey too that they have. Super cute. I see this little ghost with the Mickey ears. I guess that's their new logo this year because it's on everything. It's on these ears as well. This is like their Halloween ears. I just don't know if I love these. I don't know. We'll see. I don't like the little ghost. I just want the bow and then this part. And they have the matching backpack too. I think this one just came out. That's super cute. And you can even get matching Crocs to go with it. Here's another one of their Halloween styles as well. I'm just not loving these. I don't know. The gray and the orange. More simple though. And they of course have tons of the Mickey pumpkin mugs, which I may have to take one home with me this trip. Also love the Oogie Boogie mug. That is so cool. Okay, these munchling things just came out. I think they're like Squishmallows. I think they're scented, but I think they just came out today. And they have like the big plushies and they have little ones, but they're so cute. They're little desserts. People are seriously going crazy for these little boxes. I kind of want to get a couple just to, you know, check it out. I don't know, they're kind of cute. Like there's a little Winnie the Pooh honey cake, a Stitch pineapple upside down cake. I might get a couple and see what we get inside. Okay, they have a Haunted Mansion spirit jersey that I actually really love. Just one of my favorite rides at Disney and perfect for spooky season. I love the tie-dye, so I might get this one as my Halloween spirit jersey. It has Madame Leota at the bottom. Very cool. I think I'm gonna get that one. I found the ears I was looking for. Just these like orangey, almost bronze looking ones. I think these are gonna be so cute with all the fall outfits. So I'm definitely gonna grab these. These are cute little fall ears too. The green with the plaid. Okay, so I came over to the pin trading shop because I guess they have more magic bands than the World of Disney, but since I've been here last, they have a new Magic Band Plus option that has some more features that you can do and should be getting even more later. So I wanted to go ahead and pick one of these up. I didn't even bring my other plain magic bands this time. This gets you into the parks too. It gets you into your room, but I thought this one was really cute with the little Disney snacks on it, so I think I'm gonna get this one with all the little sprinkles. I think it's pretty cute. And we'll just test it out during the trip and see how it goes, and then I'll just have one for the future too, I suppose. But yeah, they have a lot of really cute designs. Alright, next we do have dinner reservations at the Boathouse. I've been dying to try this. It's really good. Like seafood. They have nice like mixed drinks as well, so we're gonna go chill here for a bit. It's like 10:30, so I snagged this super late reservation, but I'm so excited to try this one. It's been on my list to try. So here is the menu here. As you can see, they have an assortment of different, like they have steaks and stuff. I'm really wanting to try the truffle fries. Those look really good. And then they have a bunch of different fish options, but the lobster roll looks amazing. So that's kind of what I'm looking at getting. And then of course, they have a ton of drinks as well. And there's one that has a cute little duck in it, like a rubber duck. So I think I'm gonna get that one if I can figure out. I think it's this Duck Duck Raz one. And maybe dessert if we're feeling it. We'll see how it goes. But I'm super hungry. I haven't had like a real meal all day today. Okay, so I got my drink. This is the Duck Duck Raz, and it has the cute little rubber duck inside. That is just the cutest thing ever. And they did bring out some bread as well, so we definitely have a lot of food. The food came out like seriously so fast. We got the lobster roll, and then I got the truffle fries with it instead of just the regular fries. And it looks so good. Alright guys, we made it back into the room. It is about midnight and I am already exhausted. Such a long day already and I really didn't do a whole lot. Dinner at Boathouse, it was pretty good. I wouldn't say it's my favorite thing at Disney. I don't know if I would do it again. The lobster roll came out in like 5 minutes. That was crazy how fast it was. And the cute little duck drink was very adorable but like super sweet. But I don't know, it was nice. I would say my favorite thing there is actually their bread and butter that they had, that they just give for every meal, and it was delicious. So yeah, that's kind of it for the night. I am just so tired, so I think I'm just gonna head straight to bed. I'll show you guys my little munchlings I bought tomorrow. I'm always curious about things when I see a lot of people like getting into it. I'm like, okay, what is all this about? It kind of reminds me again, I think I mentioned this, of like the whole Squishmallow thing, but these little Disney plushies, I guess they're limited edition, but people were seriously going nuts for them in the store because they just launched today. But people were like opening them and like trying to see what it was because I guess they're trying to collect certain ones. But I bought a few, so I'll share those with you guys tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna take my makeup off, head to bed. I was thinking of going to the parks early in the morning, but honestly I think I just kind of want to wake up when I want to wake up. I mean, I know I probably should wake up early if I'm gonna do the genie. I don't know if I'm gonna be rushing to the parks super early in the morning, but I think I am gonna head to Magic Kingdom tomorrow. My friend Christine's not even coming until like 7 p.m. I don't know what else we're gonna do tomorrow. I was thinking of heading to Epcot as well, since I don't want to be at Magic Kingdom too long, since we do have the Halloween party there too this week, so we'll be spending some time there. But I do want to go check it out, get some snacks, maybe check out a few rides and just see it decorated for fall, which I'm most excited about. I wanted to wear this sweatshirt there because it's all the fall vibes, so I don't know, I might wear this tomorrow too, but I know it's gonna be a lot warmer, so we'll see. Okay, I forgot to show you guys the munchlings that I unboxed. I wanted to film for TikTok, so that's why I didn't show you the first day. But this is the Hades little ice cream cone. This is the only one I don't really care for. It is blueberry scented, and this is the cutest. It's like a little mint Mickey, and it smells amazing. And then I also really wanted this one, so I was excited. I got the little Pooh cinnamon bear cinnamon roll thing, which also smells amazing. It smells more like vanilla, but yeah, those are my little munchlings. I thought that was fun to kind of try for the trip since those just came out. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow.